Good morning, my dear students, and I welcome you all to my art lesson. And today what are we going to make? As you can read on my sheet, yes, a game of hide and seek. So do you all play hide and seek with your friends or maybe with your brother, sister, mama, papa, family members? Sometimes you want some free time for yourself and in the evening you like to play some games. So I hope you have played the game of hide and seek. So today I will be teaching you how to draw a game of hide and seek. And I'm sure that you are going to enjoy the drawing as much as you enjoy playing it. And yes, of course, we have to make sure that we are hiding in safe places. And we have an elder with us and we do not go and hide in unknown and strange places. We all need to be together and safe also while playing the game. So let's begin. Some children are playing a game of hide and seek in the garden. It's very safe. It's all open. Now, let's begin, children. To start with, I will first start by making the child who is giving the den. So this child is going to cover his eyes and the others are going to run away and start hiding. Now, how to make the child? Start by making an oval for the face, 2 lines for the neck, join. Now let's make the hair. If it's a boy, then the hair is going to be shorter. 2 ears on the sides. Then shoulders. Once you draw the shoulders, come down. 2 lines down to make the hands. Now children, these 2 hands will go up because he is going to cover his eyes. Now, how will you draw? Look very, very carefully. Now, children, from here, take 1 and 2 lines up like this and curve and join to make the elbow. Similarly, from here, take 1 line up like this, come down and curve and join. Now, obviously the neck and the face lines will not show, then I have to erase them very, very carefully. So I've erased the extra lines. This hand is looking too long. I need to shorten it a bit. Now, I can make the fingers. Thumb and 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers, thumb and 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers. So he is hiding his face, covering his eyes. Then a squarish shape for his t-shirt or shirt, whatever he is wearing. Then 2 legs down, 2 lines down to make his legs. A shape in the center. This could be his pant. You can make some design. You can make shorts. You can make pockets. And then the shoes. Now let's add some trees, some pots, some bushes where other children who are playing the game can hide safely. Now this is a tree in the garden where they are playing. This could be a mango tree, apple tree, or just any simple tree with some flowers on it. I'm making apples on it. There could be some birds on the tree. I've taught you how to make a parrot. You must have learned how to make birds in class 1. So you can add a bird also on the tree if you want to add. Children, just see. Circle for the face. Now, there is a child who's hiding behind the tree. Now, children, look carefully how we will draw. Now, to draw that child, you will first make oval or a circle for the face. It can also slightly hide behind the tree, or you can show the full face. Suppose it's a girl. Let's make her hair, eyebrows, a small nose, lips, and eyes. Now she's looking towards that boy. Can you see her eyeballs is looking? She's looking that side if he's coming or not. Now 2 lines for the neck. Now only half the body will show, children. So only shoulder will show from this side. Move down and make the hand, thumb and finger. Now children, for the half remaining body, again like I've taught you, a rectangular or a semicircle shape for the shirt or the upper part of the dress. And then we can just make her skirt, or you can make her pants. And her legs will not show, just a bit of the leg will show because she's hiding. Now if you want, you can add another child who's hiding this side, and only his face, ear, only 1 ear, 2 lines for the neck, shoulder, and the body goes inside like that. Done. So this is another boy wearing a cap. Could be a simple figure also, children. No need to make too much. You don't want to make this boy, you can just leave it. Now at the back, let me add some bushes. You can add more trees if you want to. I've taught you different kinds of trees. You can pick up any tree from there. We can also show a child hiding behind the bush far away. This could be a girl again. Make her hair whichever way you like to. Ear. Children, I've already taught you how to draw human figures. Children, now as you can see, again only 2 lines for the neck, a bit of the shoulders, and done. You want to add more, children, you can, or you can just leave it like this. Now I want to add a big flower pot or a plant over here, and there is a child who is hiding right next to it. So this is the big planter. It could be any shape, children. You can make some design on it. And here is the plant inside. I'm going to make the palms, which we can keep inside the house also, you must have seen, so that it's big enough for the child to hide behind. Zigzag lines, just like we made the coconut and the banana trees. So you've seen how we've drawn, just like a fountain, lines emerging out. I've just taught you how to make trees. Will be easy for you, should not be difficult. And over here, there is one child who is hiding. Now how to draw him? Circle or oval for the face, ears, hair. Now children, this child is also looking towards this boy who's giving the den. Neck. You can make a collar if he's wearing a collared shirt. Shoulders. Now after making the shoulders, first let's make a squarish shape or a rectangle shape for his t-shirt. And then I have taught you this in beach scene to use for the legs. He's sitting on his knees, and from the shoulders come out 2 hands, and he is just sitting here right next to this big planter. Other hand, you can make it here, or you can just take it down. So this boy, I think he's looking too broad. Don't want him to look that broad and chubby. Little. Now you can add some design on his t-shirt if you want to. That's it, children. We are done. A bit of the leg will show at the back like this. That's it. So very easy. Oval, 2 lines for the neck, shoulders, upper body, like a rectangle or a square, 2 U's, and then hands. Easy? Now, I will teach you coloring in the next class. You can add sun and clouds or whatever you want. Thank you, students. Have a great day.